How to apply coupons on SHEIN. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to apply coupons on SHEIN so you can save money on your orders. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the SHEIN app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply go to the items that you want to buy. And here, once you've found that, you can simply add them to your cart. And now here, once you have added the items to your cart, what you can do is you can simply go back and tap on the card icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the cart section, what you can do is you can simply tap on the checkout button. And here on the checkout screen, you'll see order summary, swiping details, shipping details, payment option, and this is where you'll apply your coupon. So here, simply look for coupon code or apply code, and after that you can just tap on it and enter your promo code, and after that you can just tap on apply. And once you do that, your discount will be added instantly to your total. And if you already have coupon on your account, then you can just tap on my coupons and select one from the list, and only one coupon can be used per items or per checkout. So applying the coupons, and with that you can check the final price and just tap on place order. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.